Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for me to share a new nail polish of the week color. In these videos I always live swatch and talk about one specific nail polish color, but if you're new to my channel I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, leave a comment, like this video and so on. I really love to hear from you guys and actually reply to your comments as well. But first up, it is time to prep the nail, so make sure that you have removed your previous manicure before you go in with your base coat. And I'm using one by Catrice, which I've used like 100 times already. It is really nice. It is the 99% natural base coat. It is quite affordable as well. I think it's about €3.59 if I'm correct, or at least that is the price here in the Netherlands. It definitely, like, the prices definitely vary depending where you're from. I know that Catrice Cosmetics is a little bit more expensive, for instance in America, but I've seen them really cheap in Germany as well as in Thailand. So I do know that the brand is like global and you can get it about anywhere, or at least if you don't have a store nearby you can always ask Catrice at Instagram to ask where you can get them, maybe online or something like that. But if you have applied your base, just make sure it's completely dry before you go in with your colored coat. And the nail polish that I'm going to talk about and live swatch in this particular video is one by Essie. It is just like the previous one I shared, or like an Essie polish that I shared in my previous nail polish of the week video. One I've had for years. I think I've had it over 7 years already, and this one is called Full Steam Ahead. It is a gorgeous, like, lilac-y purple kind of tone. I'm sure that this is one of those colors that will suit a lot of different skin tones as well, which is a big plus. The only thing that I really want to mention about this particular polish is that it is quite watery, and as you can see here it is almost flooding my cuticle a bit, and it is really sheer on that first coat, as you can see here while I'm applying that first layer. Don't be scared that if you're going to try any Essie polishes. I have a couple, I think I have 6 or 8, and I actually ordered 14 more because there was like a great discount going on a little while ago at my local drugstore, so I just ordered a couple online just to expand my collection a little bit because I don't have that many. The reason why I have like not as much Essie polishes compared to like Essence or Catrice or China Glaze or something like that is just because I felt like they're always a bit overpriced. They are like at least €10 here in the Netherlands, which I feel like is quite high for a drugstore polish. And yeah, I don't really have like too many like great experiences with these polishes because most of them definitely need at least 2 layers and sometimes even 3. Like this color I'm using right here, it is a stunner, like don't get me wrong, a beautiful lilac tone with gorgeous like shimmer in there. I really love it, but 3 coats, especially on my longer natural nails, and if you want to have it completely opaque, which is my personal preference as well, I feel like 3 coats is a little bit too much, especially if you're in a hurry and you don't have much time or like spare time, to be honest, to just do your nails. I would like go for a more opaque polish like Essence or Catrice, which are way more affordable as well, but nonetheless it's a really nice polish, and I'm really curious to see how all of the polishes are going to work out that I have just ordered online. As I mentioned, Essie polishes are usually around €10, but I actually got like a 50% discount at my local drugstore, which was pretty cool. So that is why I just decided to pick 14 new colors and just spend a little bit of money and see if I can rebuild my love for this brand. But back to the video and the whole live swatch and the whole shebang, let's just put it at that. Here I'm applying my 3rd coat already. Like, I know it is quite sheer, it is quite watery, it's a little bit like different to work with, especially if you're used to Essence, Catrice, China Glaze polishes, which tend to be a little bit thicker. I do really like the brush by that comes with the Essie polishes, like in the bottle. I really like it. It is not too wide, but it isn't like super small either. I really like it, and it also has kind of like a rounded like tip of the brush. Can I put it like that? I really like it because it really makes application really easy. The only thing is, make sure you don't have too much product on the brush, because you will definitely flood your cuticles. And if you do have some like spillage and stuff like that, I have it all the time. You see that in my videos as well, especially with watery substances like these polishes by Essie. You can just remove it with your fingernail, or even a brush with some acetone or nail polish remover or anything like that. And yeah, after all of your color layers are dry, I'm going in with this top coat by Essence. This one is from their newer, like, updated collection. It's the ultra gloss one. It is a little bit of a thicker top coat, which I personally really like. So it actually dries, I'd say it's not like very slow drying, but it isn't a super fast drying one either, in my opinion. I do feel like some of the top coats that I use often by Catrice and Holo Taco are more fast drying, I have to say. They dry way faster than this one, but other than that, it's a really nice one. It is quite affordable as well. I think this one was like €2 or $2.69 or something like that. And yeah, it's just a really nice one. Essence is completely vegan and cruelty free, and it is quite easy to get your hands on, at least here in Europe or in the Netherlands. I have to say, it's just a really common brand. But yeah, always make sure to cap off your edges. By the way, if you are going to do your nails, do so with your base coat, your colored coat, and your top coat to prevent any tip wear or chipping. And yeah, this was actually already my entire new nail polish of the week video. Let me know what you think about this color. Is this a tone you would like to wear yourself? Maybe you already have this polish. I do think it is still available online because it is from an older collection. I do know that Essie doesn't change up their collections that often, so there's a high chance you will still be able to get your hands on this one if you're interested in it. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like, personally, I think it's a really cute color. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.